wanted to build a non-contact thermometer for people when they enter the building. The idea here is we would use an infrared temperature sensor along with some distance sensing and a nice little Arduino embedded control system that attaches to an off-the-shelf mirror. And it would detect a person as they approach it. It would indicate to them when they got close to where they were trying to go, like within range. And then once you're in range, it would give you some sort of indication of whether your temperature was acceptable or if it was to a known fever. In order to expedite this, we were kind of under a constrained timetable. We wanted to be able to open M3. As you can imagine, in a time like this, a lot of the components you would use to build a infrared temperature sensing station are out of stock. And then also a lot of the off-the-shelf solutions were unavailable or really expensive. So we went and looked at commercial solutions for all this, and there's plenty of commercial solutions that do this. The fact that we wanted to make something rather than buy something really sums up the culture well. I mean, we're a group of tinkerers and designers and engineers that aren't happy with just going and buying something when we know that we could do something equivalent or better or funner, kind of at the moment's notice. It's really just sort of the tinkering that we do around here. We figure out how to accomplish problems using bits of information that we've picked up along the way.